Ever wondered what makes Google AdSense such a powerful tool for digital marketers and content creators alike? The secret lies in its stringent policies and guidelines designed to maintain a healthy digital advertising ecosystem. Today, we delve into the labyrinth of these policies and guidelines, demystifying them step by step. Firstly, it's all about the content. AdSense values high-quality, original content that engages users and enhances their online experience. Duplicate or misleading content doesn't cut it. If you want to succeed with AdSense, make sure your content is unique, relevant, and valuable to your audience. Secondly, we navigate the waters of user experience. Google insists on a clean, easy to navigate, and user-friendly interface. Remember, ads should complement your content, not overshadow it. Avoid any disruptive ad placements that could hinder the user experience. Thirdly, it's time to talk about traffic. AdSense requires that all traffic to your site be organic. Any artificial means of generating traffic, such as purchasing clicks or using automated software, are strictly prohibited. Keep it real, and the rewards will follow. Fourthly, the importance of transparency cannot be overstated. AdSense requires that all publishers disclose their use of cookies to collect data and obtain user consent where required by law. Privacy matters, and it's crucial to respect the rights of your users. Finally, AdSense has a zero-tolerance policy when it comes to illegal activities. Any content that promotes, encourages, or facilitates illegal activities will lead to immediate termination from the AdSense program. Play by the rules, and your digital marketing efforts will flourish. Now, let's wrap up and highlight the key points about AdSense policies and guidelines. Creating original, high-quality content is paramount. This not only attracts users but also keeps them engaged. User experience is king. A clean, easy-to-navigate website that houses non-disruptive ads is a winning formula. Traffic should always be organic. Any artificial means to generate traffic will lead to a violation of AdSense policies. Transparency is a must. Clear disclosure of data collection methods and obtaining user consent are critical. Lastly, steer clear of any illegal activities. AdSense has a zero-tolerance policy towards such content. Remember, the goal of these policies and guidelines is not just to regulate, but also to create a healthier, more vibrant, digital advertising ecosystem. By adhering to these guidelines, you not only make the most out of AdSense, but also contribute to a better web experience for all.